Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Walmart robot or human button is not working. So without further ado, let's get started. First I will show you on PC and then I will show you on mobile app as well. So without further ado, let me show you. So first open a browser where you use Walmart, and then you need to press on 3 dots. Then you need to go to settings. On settings you need to go to privacy and security. Then you need to go to third-party cookies. Then look for see all site data and permissions, and then here you need to look for Walmart and then delete site cookies. Here, delete it. And now you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then try to use different network. So maybe create a hotspot on your Wi-Fi and try to log in with a different connect your computer with a different network that you not used just by connecting with Walmart, right? And look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then try to use different browser. So for example, there is Brave browser. You can also install on your computer and try to complete these steps with a different browser and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists on your phone, I will show you what you need to do next. So on your phone, I'm using iPhone, but on Android also it will be pretty similar. What you need to do here is to clear your app cache. And to do so, you just need on iPhone, you need to go to General, then scroll down until you see iPhone storage. And then here you need to scroll down again and you will see simply your Walmart app. In my case, I don't have Walmart app, so I will show you with a different one. You just need, let's say eFootball is Walmart app. You just need to press then offload app, offload again, and wait until offload is done. And then what you need to do here is to reinstall the app and press download. And it should work after that. On Android, it will be quite similar, but a little bit different. But you can always just Google it out, how you can clear cache on apps on Android and do these steps with your Walmart app, and it should work. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.